This is our third public art residency program in partnership with Virginia Beach Public Schools. We engaged Bayside middle and 6th grade 2 years ago with Richmond artist Kevin Orlosky. Because of COVID, it was put on hold. We were able to finally bring Kevin back into the schools and engage the now 7th and 8th graders in this amazing project that you see here today.
The goal is for them to kind of think about what is something that is important to them that they want to speak out about, tell the world about. It's asking them to finish one of the following phrases. My voice is, I speak for, or I project. They finish these phrases onto these megaphone shapes. They'll be attached to poles, and they're going to place them as sort of an action of figuratively and literally lifting up their voice.
It is giving them proof in the moment of how strong their art can be and how they have the power to send a message with their artwork. That just makes me feel so awesome inside. From what I've heard from the students, they've had a similar experience.
I felt like not just like people that I know cared, but also people around me that I never even knew cared about what I had to say. Everyone has a voice. No matter how young you are, no matter how old you are, you just always have a voice.
Often students just learn about how to make art or about famous artists or art history, but this kind of bridges that gap of the importance of public art, because public art incorporates all of that, but then it has an extra layer of being for the public, for the community, and it brings them out into the community space.